welcome everyone. It's now 2 minutes past our starting time. Hello, everyone. Uh,
Hello.
yes, good to see you. And I'm going to mute you. I'm going straight into singing because we have a lot of material to get through today. And I hope you have drinks in front of you because we're going to just do a little chin chin. Well, I'm doing it right here, right now to start our final session. Welcome to Sing With Me 120. Будьте здоровы, be healthy. So, we're going to quickly warm up. So, you sit upright, you make sure that shoulders are in place, face is relaxed, that, oh, people are still arriving, that you're breathing into your lower rib cage or into your belly, breathing slowly. We're going to start singing that note together, just for us to know that we're all singing that C, either here or there if you want. Let's go. Breathe in. Let's go. Take a breath, do it again. Okay, we're going to go up and down in our range just to warm ourselves up like this. Up and down. Let's go a couple of times. You're sitting upright, feeling your soles on the ground, your bums on the chairs. Let's go all the way up and down. One more time. And now we will do one more thing, which is fantastic when you have a group of people in one room, but we're going to do it now and we'll pretend that we're shouting to each other. This is I call it shouting to your friends. You're lost in a big Russian forest and you're shouting to your friends, "Awoo!" So it's about projecting your sound far away rather than singing high and singing loud. Okay, so it's "Awoo!" into distance. Let's do "Awoo" to each other into distance. Okay, let's go. "Awoo!" Hello, everyone. Can you hear me there in Hawaii? One more time. Okay. Yeah, I wonder what my neighbor is thinking. So, we're going to go straight into our simple folk song today. And let me see, how many of you came across that one? You listened to the file. Yes, Diana, Julia, yeah. Sue, Eve, anyone else? Let me see. Yeah, Jackie, you're nodding. You danced to it, right? I know that it's really, really used in these folk dance circles, but a slightly different version. So let's go straight into the tune, and we will look at the old version of that tune. And it goes like this. We'll do it one more time, okay, from the beginning. La 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 la. And the next bit is in minor, parallel major and minor. Like this is very, very common for Russian songs. Da 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 da. Let's sing that next line. Da 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 da. Oh, sorry. Da da. Yeah. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. So we're starting here. We go from the beginning, the whole tune. Let's go. Da 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 da. we can just la 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 together, just enjoy singing together that simple, lovely tune. First note, let's go. You can sing harmonies as well. 2, 3, and la 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 la. Sing harmony, you sing melody. Nice and pretty tune, but you know what? The original was like that. The first phrase is like that, as we expect, major. Second phrase. So, harmonic minor, that raised 7 is quite a new thing, and certainly not traditional for Russian folklore, but Trutowski, who collected music from folks, he squashed it into the rhythms, into the keys that we know, into the scales that we know, so he made it into major. Some earlier recordings of the song prove that it wasn't. Now, let's quickly look at the text. We won't sing it all. Look at it. It's huge. It's a huge song. That's the full text, and I don't even know if it's the full text. It's the first printed text that we know, musicologists know. And it's a story how a young woman is suffering because her beloved cannot see her anymore because his mother is against it. So she tries to create a ritual of attracting him, changing the situation by certain ritual magic. So she takes a little bit of gilder rose. I know it as a gilder rose. It's a Polina, a specific tree with little red bitter berries, but you can eat them. And she puts them into little bunches, and she puts them on the road. She throws them on the road, and she says specific words, magic words, to bring him back. But his mother is against anyway, and she, the mother, also tries to put certain spells on him and says, I will chain you, and I won't let you go. Quite a sad thing, you know. So we're going to just look at the first verse now, which is in the music. Bila lica, krugla lica. One more time. 1, 2, 3, and bila lica, krugla lica, krasnaya devica. I'll say the second two words. Krasnaya devica. Let's go together. First line. And bela lica, krugla lica, krasnaya devica. Bela lica, white-faced. Krugla lica, round-faced. Krasnaya is red or beautiful. You know that when we talk about the Red Square in Moscow, about other Krasna Devica, the red woman, it means the beautiful woman, the red square, the beautiful square, because in Old Russian the word Krasnaya meant beautiful and red. Devica, the next word, is a young woman. Next line number 2. Придалинушке стояла. One more time. 3, 4. Придалинушке стояла. Next bit. Калину ломала. One more time. Калину ломала. So we're singing that second line together. And придалинушке стояла. gather everything together, let me just translate it. Pri is by or near, next to. Dalinushka comes from Dalina. We sang at some point, Ty Dalina, Ty Dalina, Ty Dalinushka Maya, you sing with me, and in my choirs some time ago. Dalina is a valley, so she was standing by the valley. Стояла is stood. Kalina, Kalinu, is a gilderose, or there is another word for that specific plant. I'm not a botanics.
I think it says viburnum. I don't know how to pronounce it. Viburnum.
Yeah, viburnum. I've never come across that viburnum kind of thing. Viburnum or gilderose, whatever, you know. So she was lamala Kalina. She was not tearing. She was kind of breaking. Yeah, breaking Kalina, the tree, the bush. She was breaking this this gilderose. Yeah. So to do her magic, we're going to sing this whole verse all the way from the beginning. 1, 2, 3, and Бела лица, кругла лица, красная девица, при долинушке стояла, калину ломала. One more time. Бела лица, кругла лица, красная девица, при долинушке стояла, калину ломала. I think I mentioned it in the little descriptions that is often is considered a dance song, but also a протяжная, which is like протяжная is something that you stretch and that you drag, and it's usually a bit more tragic and a bit more heartbreaking, and it could be both here. But seeing as people dance to it, we call it a dance song. I suggest we just la 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 and sing the first verse a couple of times with me singing harmonies. And this will be our familiarizing ourselves with that song. And do listen to the choral file on my website. It's quite lovely, quite good. With a different tune, by the way. Yeah? So let's sing this. We start like this, looking at each other, hopefully, or looking at me, whatever your setting is on the screen. And just sing the tune. La, 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 la. Красная that. I hope you like that pretty little thing. And we're going now to sing through our other songs. Yeah, how was that? By the way, on YouTube there is a file how to dance to it, and I tell you what, most files, and you will find lots of files, if you put Белолица Круглолица or Удалины or something like this, there is another name to this song. You will find lots and lots of files with that song. As I said, children learn the song in schools and music schools. You'll find lots of this, lots of people playing it, and lots of dancers dancing in that folklore Russian style. It's beautiful too when Russian women dressed in these matryoshka-like dresses float on the stage and do all that. It's not folklore, but it's lovely. Okay, so we are going to look at our other 4 songs, including the Rachmaninoff, but we start with our, I think, first song, Little Duck. Remember it? La 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 it doesn't have to be rhythmical at all. Stretch syllables and do all that. And it's a lament. It's a lament. It's a little duck who is leaving her beautiful lake to go to cold places where winds blow, and to escape from this place that is getting cold, to fly away from her home. And the second half of the song, remember what? It's Fyoklishka, a young woman who is being married. She's getting married to this guy called, what's his name? Naum. And he is coming with his whole family, and he is going to grab her hand and take her to the church and then to his house. How can she say goodbye to her parents? How can she leave her native little nest? So we're going to sing verse 1. На море утушка купалася, на море серая полоскалася, полоскалася. Then we're going to sing, we sang the second one, right? Встрепенулася. I don't know, it's quite tricky. Let's do the third one. Как-то мне с морем расстатися. And let's sing Придут морозы. This one, the third one, fourth one. So first, third, fourth. It's easy for syllables per note, yeah? Hope you're sitting upright. This is quite an emotional song, so we're going to hum it first. Let's go. Do it one more time. I'll sing a harmony line. расстаться, как с крутых берегов. Поднятися, поднятися. Придут морозы жестокие, ой, выпадут снеги глубокие, глубокие. First verse, okay. На море удушка купалася, на море серая полоскалася, полоскалася. Beautiful song, isn't it? It has a lament. If you can go a bit more emotional with it, but not today because we have other songs. And the next one is, let's see. Oh yeah. Remember the beautiful waltzy tune? That's more. It's closer to the Russian art song, to the urban songs from the 1800s. And here is the tune. Da 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 da. Oh, no, what? It's a bit high, so let's not look at the music. Let's go here. Da 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 da. 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 Let's sing it together, just the tune. Ta da 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 da. Ta da 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 da. Remember we talked about this lovely love story with a happy ending when was he a merchant? He was from a rich background, but not as noble as her, but he rushes into her house, kidnaps the woman, they go far away, and they live happily ever after, and it's based on an actual story. Remember that? So we're going to sing a couple of verses from this one, and let's go. Живет моя отрада. Let's do the first three. Yeah, let's do the first two, and then we will just la 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 and look at each other. And I'm going a bit lower because it's just for some of us. All right, let's go. Живет моя отрада в высоком терему, а в терем тот высокий нет ходу никому, а в терем тот высокий нет ходу никому. Second verse. Я знаю, красотки, есть сторож у крыльца, но он не загородит дорогу молодца, но он не загородит дорогу молодца. Oh, come on, what the hell? Let's do the next one. Verse 3. Войду я к милой в терем и брошусь в ноги к ней, hope our sopranos and tenors enjoyed that last higher key. How is that? Yeah, fun? Okay, so the next one is our Rachmaninoff bit. Remember that? Rachmaninoff art song based on folklore, composed in a folklorized way. The tune is like a lament, and we are going to see if we remember it. And by the way, before we do this, how many of you were at that session? You were mostly at that session, yeah? Nikolaus, you'll just read the music, right? Okay, just follow as much as you can. We have time to do it maybe twice. And let's enjoy it. Here we go. You have the tune only. This is it. I'll just quickly remind you how it goes. And by the way, it's written for a soprano, and you can sing it an octave lower, perfectly fine if you're a lower voice. Remember that, yeah? Next bit, third line. Sorry. Ta-da, ta-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da, ta-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Yeah, that was a kind of fast forward through it. Did you manage to remember how it goes, more or less? How many of you are singing in that high, in that in the soprano? Phil, you're going, yeah, octave low, yeah. So I cannot transpose accompaniment and everything else into a kind of middle key between all of us. So go to that octave, okay? Yeah, you're doing that too, yeah? So now I'm going to sing through it and play accompaniment the best I can, and you just sing along. And I was told that you can actually make this bigger. I don't want to scroll down as I'm playing. So if you can make it bigger on your screen as you're following, maybe that's what you should do. Otherwise it's not quite fitting. That's what I'll leave on the screen, okay? Let's go. 2, 3. How was that? Did you manage to? Who managed to sing all the way to the end with text and stuff? Yeah. Now we do have time for it for one more time. What do you think? Should we do it? Yeah. I know it's not folklore, but a bit of classics is nice and different. Now I'm not technically a soprano, so you just do the high notes loud when they're supposed to be loud, okay? They're supposed to be ta-da-da-ta, fortissimo. I'm not doing that. I don't want to scare all the birds from my garden. Ready? All the way through one more time. So remember, this is a hymn being it's again love but separation. He is being taken away by he's being recruited. He's an orphan and she's staying by herself, and this is her destiny, and it's heartbreaking. Okay, let's go. Печаль свою сиротинушку бесталанного. Уж такая доля мне выпала. Разлучили нас люди сильные, а веселее восстали в рекруты. И солдаткая, одинокая, знать в чужой избе и состареюсь. Уж такая доля мне выпала. Heartbreaking, isn't it? I love that tune. Yeah, beautiful. And in the beginning, remember this folk accompaniment, as if you were playing gusli, the string instrument. Now we've come to our last song, and it's Vadim Kozin's Осень, Tango. Ta da 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 da, 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 ta da 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 da. Remember, ta da 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 da, ta da da da. I'll show you the music, but don't follow it exactly, okay? And this is how we finish our. Yeah, I'll also. Ooh, I'll fit it on here, I guess. Yeah. Does it fit? Yeah, that fits. No, we need to go into a different key. Yeah, there is a high note there and there is a low note. That's for some of us it won't be perfect. So you have to jump around. It's quite a big range. La 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 through it one time. La 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 la. Da da Don't leave. We haven't, so many songs haven't been sung yet. Every string on the guitar is still ringing, which is the song we're finishing Sing With Me with. And hopefully we won't go and we will carry on singing. Now I'm going to sing this with text, la 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 with me, whatever you can catch. Let's go. Осень, прозрачное утро, небо как будто в тумане, даль из станов перламутра, солнце холодное раннее, где наша первая встреча, яркая, острая, тайная, в тот летний памятный вечер. Милая, словно случайная, не уходи, тебя я умоляю, слова любви 100 крат я повторю. Пусть осень у дверей, я это твердо знаю, но все же не уходи, тебе я говорю. Наш уголок нам никогда не тесен, когда ты в нем, то в нем цветет весна. Не уходи, еще не спето столько песен, еще звенит в гитаре каждая струна. Last 3 lines. Наш уголок нам никогда не тесен, когда ты в нем, то в нем цветет весна. Не уходи, еще не спето столько песен, еще звенит в гитаре каждая струна. Та-ра-ра-да, та-ра-ра-ра-ра-ра-ра-ра, Не уходи, тебя я умоляю, слова любви 100 крат, it's Siri in the middle, я повторю. Пусть в осени дверей, я это твердо знаю, но все же не уходи, тебе я говорю. Don't go, I'm telling you. Don't go. So this is the end of Sing With Me sessions, at least for now. I'm having a drink with you all and I'm stopping our recording. Thank you very much, everyone. We can stay for another minute and talk. Thank you.